All right, so good morning, and thank you for joining us here for the opening ceremony of our new headquarters locations for nVenia. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Thurman Nelson, president of nVenia, and on behalf of our 386 employees and the leadership team from our parent company, Duravan, I'd like to welcome you all to our grand opening and celebration of National Manufacturing Day. So for those of you who don't know, nVenia is a new operating company. It was formed through the combination of three legacy operating companies, Hamer Fishbein, RPAC, and Olson. And combined, we have over 250 years of experience in the manufacturing of packaging equipment. So what we do is we manufacture and integrate packaging equipment for a variety of end markets. Our packaging equipment includes scales and filling equipment that will put product into a container or a bag, as well as shrink wrap and bundling solutions that help collect those products, and then finally palletizing solutions for putting the product on a pallet and getting it ready for shipment out of the customer's end user facility. The end markets that we serve are very diverse. We serve customers in consumer product goods, food and beverage, building materials, agriculture, lawn and garden. So we really serve a very diverse set of end markets of customers who rely on our equipment for more productive and efficient manufacturing operations. Now the building that you see here today is a new facility. It's 256,000 square feet. And it's the culmination of our manufacturing expansion strategy about how do we accelerate growth and improve our manufacturing capabilities. It's a process that we've been working on for about a year and a half, and so we're very excited to get to today and have our official ribbon cutting ceremony to open up the new building. The facility is home to all of our functions. So we've got sales, marketing, engineering, operations, and finance all housed in this facility. And we're a vertically integrated manufacturer. So as you do the tour today, you'll see our machining center, welding operations, painting, and assembly. We do the complete value stream as we create our products for shipment to our customers. Right around the corner from where I stand right now is the location for a future location for our Customer Experience Center. So we'll set it up with our equipment and we'll bring in customers for demonstration and training purposes. So it'll be a showcase facility in the industry for our customers to come in and see the solutions that we can offer them. So as I take a look at the facility, which represents a $15 million investment to create it, it's given us an opportunity to rapidly build our team with local talent from the local area, from Wooddale and from DuPage County. To date, we have actually hired 160 new employees this year, and we're continuing to hire more to fill out our needs, especially to satisfy the growth and demand that we've seen this year. So I'd like to take a minute to thank everybody who was a part of making this building a success, including all of the employees that are here with us today, but also our external partners of Cushman Wakefield, Bridge Industrial, Cornerstone Architects, and Pacific Construction. And I'd also like to thank the City of Wooddale for their support in us standing up the facility. We look forward to a long-term ongoing partnership with the local community. So with that, I'd like to introduce Alderman Woods from Wooddale, who will come up and say a word.
Thank you, Mr. Nelson. It's a pleasure to have you in town. It's been a long time coming. Before I came here, I kind of looked at your website and ran through your parent company and looked at how long a journey this was for you guys. And talking to a couple of the employees here, also getting some feedback from them on how long time coming this was and what an improvement. As one guy told me, I believe he's the finance guy, that there was a long-term wish for him to be under one roof, one facility, and with an ERP system that was all controlling. So that's exciting. It was to get to where we're at, the city council also for Wooddale, it's been a long ride, giving the 390 expressway, the expansion of the airport, a lot of things happening in a small community. We held this site for a long time looking for the right partners. We have your neighbor who was a right partner, and we welcome you as the next right partner and watch for you to grow in the community, and are here to support you in any way that we can support you. While I'm here and have the mic, no telling what I might say, some would say. Thank you to, it wasn't just me, but the whole city council, most of them who are here, who helped to make this come true. And thank you for coming to Wooddale, moving your facility here.
Thank you. I don't know if you're still with us. I think we're going to do the official ribbon cutting. And if you would join us. All right. Ceremonial.
Thank you, Alderman Woods. We truly appreciate you being here today, and we'd like to thank our invited guests from the county board, the city of Wooddale, and other invited guests. I would like to ask a few folks to join us here for the actual ribbon cutting. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. I'd like to ask Maureen Uhas from the office of our state rep, Seth Lewis, to join us up here. Amy Chavez, the chair of the DuPage County Economic Development Committee. Also Ed Cage from the City of Wooddale Community Development Director. From Pacific Construction, Steve Bykowski, and Vivek Joshi from our corporate parent company, Duravan. Thurman, you have the scissors?
I have the scissors. We don't need a recordable today. I mean, you just really say.
How about, well, first let's gather for a photo. Can we get a photo?
Okay.
Okay, ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes, absolutely. How about we gather members of the City Council? Please join us up here. We'd love to take a photograph with you. Also, for those invited guests, we are happy to give you a tour of our brand new facility. And so we will have Ryan Pagels, our Vice President of Operations, giving one of the tours, and Vivek Joshi from Duravan, he's our Vice President of Operations as well. He'll be giving another tour. So let's take a couple pictures, and we will gather for the tour. And we have a luncheon today as we're celebrating National Manufacturing Day. So we look forward to seeing everybody around the corner for lunch as well.
Good. Yeah. Thank you. Okay. Back on again. Okay, so Vivek and Ryan, why don't you meet down here, and we can we'll facilitate the tours. And then, Eleni, should the rest of the people start going for lunch?
Yes, but everyone needs to bring a chair to lunch.
Okay, so bring your chair with you to the tables, and we can start serving lunch. Thanks very much, guys.